Alright, nitrous predictions on a 75 shot on the Starlet. Go. Alright, so we've got the nitrous bottle filled up again for the third time, and we've got some parts. We've got a nitrous filter here. This is meant to be an essential. We've also got a pressure gauge. So we're not really sure what the pressure was at before, but we need to have it up in that green area, which is around 950 to 1000 psi. So we've got the nitrous pressure gauge on. We'll put this line back on now and do it all up tight. Now we've got to see if we've got any leaks. We're just under that 900 mark. So online there's a bottle warmer you can buy, but this might work. Alright, so heated up the bottle for about a minute. And we are right in that range, ready to go.
So we're about to test the nitrous system in this car. So that's off. That's off. Huge difference. Oh man, it's good in the top end there. Let's check this bottle pressure.
Wow, it's just under 900, didn't move much. Could you smell the coolant though? Oh. So now it's time to take the car over to Pecky's to get a power run. Well, here's my first retarded mistake. I didn't open the bottle and we had the heat gun on there. When I realised that I hadn't turned the bottle open yet, we're at like 1200 psi, which is way past that green marker. We've got some ice cubes, we need to try and cool it down a bit.
Give it a couple of purges and it'll drop as well.
Can you pour water straight over it? There's nothing in my boot that's going to get damaged. So at 1200 psi, that would just run really lean.
Yeah. Not super lean, but
Alright, go. There's probably no water left in it. Oops. Alright. This is the last run. I'm going to bang that big jet in there and then that's it.